Hey booba kitties, hey boo hey. Stay tuned for this video if you want to see how I created this effect right on your pocket camera, right on my pocket camera, which I'm about to show you on your pocket camera, all on your iPhone 8, all on your iPhone 8. So make sure that you hit that notification bell so you do not miss out on these litty uploads. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, and let's get right into this video. So you're going to open up the camera app. Make sure that your pocket camera is placed on a tripod. You are going to take a picture of your background. You are going to swipe to video, and you're going to sit your little behind down, boo boo kitties, okay? And make sure that the pocket camera is still placed on the tripod in the same exact position. Then what you're going to do is you are going to use another device, whether that be an iPhone or an iPad or an Android, and you are going to download a green screen background off of Google. You want to make sure that this green mimics the green screen that we see on the big screen with the behind the scenes of our favorite movies. Make sure that it's a lime green and not forest green, and then you're going to record yourself doing this with the green screen with the device. And now we're going to hop into CapCut. Make sure that you download this app. You're going to go to new video, and you are going to add your picture first. Add your background picture, and once you crop it to your liking, what you are going to do, once I finish doing this, you go to overlay, add overlay, and then you are going to select the video clip where you are holding up your device with the green screen. So this is going to lay the video clip over your background image. So we're just going to wait for this to load, and make sure that you subscribe, make sure that you comment down below, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. So I just tapped to highlight the video clip because what I want to do is I want to scale this. But what I did first was I just kind of cut out and just removed any other unnecessary clips because I just want to show you guys how to do the green screen effect. And what I just did, I just tapped the video clip to highlight it within the timeline, and I'm just adjusting it so that the video image lines up with the background. But you can do this later on too. I just decided to do it right here, and it's not even entirely lined up, but that doesn't matter, we can fix that later. You're going to slide over to chroma key as I did, and you're going to make sure that you put this chroma key over the green screen, okay? Make sure the circle is completely in the dimensions of the device you're holding. Go over to intensify, and boom, I drag that bar to 1. Don't drag it all the way, okay? It defeats the purpose of this video. Drag it over to 1, and as you can see, whatever you place the chroma key on top of, it is going to completely eliminate the original picture or video of what's on the device you're holding, since it's a green screen, and it's going to show what is behind the video clip. And this is how you create this effect. It's like an X-ray effect. And here, as you can see, which I said you can do later, you highlight the picture, and I'm just kind of moving the image up and down so that it can line up evenly with the video clip that we added as an overlay. Because it looks more realistic, you guys. And that's what I'm doing. I'm just kind of tapping the picture image, I'm tapping the image, I'm tapping the video clip. As you can see, it's being highlighted with the rectangular whites that's around it, like the 2 white bars. That's how you know that you're which clip you're moving. So I'm like going back and forth just so that it can look realistic. And that is how you achieve that look, you guys. Just a cool effect if you want to add this into any videos, or just something to have in your back pocket. And I just thought this was really fun. CapCut doesn't allow you to clean up the green, so you can kind of still see the green, but still it does the job. It gets the job done. And make sure that you click that link in my bio so that you can purchase your YouTube Queen Manifestation to Monetization Planner, so that you can manifest your YouTube desires of launching a monetized YouTube channel. And I'll see you guys on the other side of the pocket camera, booba kitties. Mwah.